So franchising has been great for Minster. More importantly, it's been great for our franchise partners. We started this business in 1982 as a cleaning company, and we took 10 years to perfect our franchise model and launched that in 1992. Our franchise model is now well established right across the UK, and our franchise partners come from a diverse range of background, so cleaning industry experience is not required. We have a tried and tested business model, and over time can help you build a valuable business. We offer a low royalty or management service fee of just 7%. Other reasons to choose Minster as your franchise partner are that we operate over large territories. We're trying to stack the odds of success well in your favour. There are no hidden renewal fees with our business. Our agreements run for 5 years, and you have unlimited right to renew. That's not always the case with other franchise businesses. The key thing about our franchise support is that we will tailor this to the life cycle of a franchisee. If you're a startup, plenty of support to help you across all sectors of the business. If you're at the other end of the spectrum and considering a sale, we'll hold your hand through that process. To start with, we'll bring you into our head office for a 1-week initial training session. The real purpose of this is just to get to know the support team and the breadth of support we can offer you. We'll then deliver an 8-week intensive training support for you in your business. That 8-week period will be flexed. It depends on your skills and your experience and expertise.
My dad joined Minster in 1996. And Minster really stood out to him as being a well-established business, relatively low risk as well, because cleaning, people will always need that. So I joined Minster in 2005, worked my way up the ranks, and then became a joint franchisee in 2011. The support that we get from head office is invaluable. Things, for example, like marketing, IT, things that help us to focus our attention on running the day-to-day business. Challenges that come with that. We can sort of sit back and rest easy knowing that things like our marketing is in good hands.
Well, I became a Minster franchisee after working in financial services for 30 years. I think the key bit for me is always around the fact that they are available if I've got an issue in terms of either some compliance issue or risk issue or operations issue. My business has been running now 3 years. In that time, we've increased our turnover by 75%, and our profits have increased similarly. This year, we've got to the point where we are turning over in excess of £1 million, and this year over last year, we increased our turnover by in excess of 25%, which was the largest in our category in the Minster franchise.
The things I enjoy most about being a Minster franchisee is that you're given the autonomy to run the business as your own, but the support network is there if you need it from both the franchisor and the franchisees. The business is also a sellable asset, and it continues to grow and seems to be as though it's almost recession-proof. I'd recommend Minster Cleaning Services to any potential franchisee. It gives you the opportunity to build a business from scratch, and in my case, expand it to a cleaning for 170 clients with the support of Minster head office and other franchisees within the network.
You will need to be determined, resilient and ambitious to grow your business with Minster, and we're looking for a track record of that across your previous career. You'll need to be self-motivated with total commitment to make this business work. These businesses need managing, and you're the person that will be doing that day in, day out. What makes me really proud of Minster is the fact that our franchisees on average have been with us for a 14-year period. Indeed, nearly half of our franchisees have been with us now for 20 years in partnership. Why? Because it works.
The cost of a new franchise is just over £28,000 plus VAT. This includes the licence fee, training, stationery, computer hardware and a marketing launch package worth £5,000 to get you up and running as quickly as possible. If you require finance, we will share our business models with you. This will help you with your application to any high street bank. If you are interested in becoming a Minster franchisee, please call us to arrange a meeting or visit our website for further information and details of current available locations.